In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel a Dropbox subscription. Whether you found a different service that better suits your needs or you simply no longer require the paid features, cancelling your Dropbox subscription is a straightforward process. I'll guide you through each step, ensuring there's no confusion along the way. First, let's start by opening your preferred web browser and heading over to Dropbox.com. Once there, you'll need to log in using your Dropbox credentials. This is an essential step because you need to access your account settings, which are only available once you're logged in. After logging in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page. Here you'll see your avatar, which might be an image or just your initials depending on whether or not you've added a profile picture. Click on this avatar to open a drop-down menu. Within this drop-down menu, look for the Manage Account option and click on it. This will take you to a new page where you can adjust various aspects of your account, including subscriptions, payment methods, and more. As you scroll down on the account management page, you'll eventually see an option labeled Cancel Plan. This is the crucial step in the process. Keep in mind that if you're currently on the basic free plan, the Cancel Plan option won't be visible because there are no payments involved. But for those on a paid plan, click on Cancel Plan to proceed. After clicking Cancel Plan, you will be guided through a series of prompts. Be sure to read these carefully, as Dropbox might offer you certain incentives to stay, such as discounts or other benefits. However, if you're set on cancelling, follow the prompts to confirm your decision. Finally, complete the confirmation process to finalize the cancellation. It's always a good idea to double check your email for a confirmation message from Dropbox. This will serve as a record of your cancellation and will help resolve any potential issues that may arise in the future. That's it. Remember, it's completely normal for needs to change over time, and switching services happens often. If you need to reactivate your subscription in the future, simply follow a similar process to sign back up. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helped make the process of cancelling your Dropbox subscription as easy as possible.